I got into woodworking after working as a graphic designer for 15 years. Then I just found that I no longer had the passion for wanting to sit behind a desk for the rest of my life. My name is Matt Wallace, and I'm a furniture maker and designer here in Ottawa. Woodworking had always appealed to me. I always loved the idea of furniture design and construction. Coming into the field, I was totally blind at it. I didn't have the tools, I didn't have the knowledge, I never took a class in woodworking or anything like that. So a lot of it was just asking a lot of questions to people I looked up to in the design world, some makers on Instagram. It's allowed me to totally change my career, and it's been amazing. So my furniture business is called Naquala Studio, and Naquala is Gaelic for of the wood. And I specialize in live edge furniture as well as modern pieces. One of the things that I love working with wood the most is that it's a natural product. I work with local arborists, we're sourcing local wood, we mill it, I dry it myself. All of the wood that I do use is wood that would have been destined for either firewood or the landfill. I'm able to keep it at the landfill and make beautiful pieces with it. Today I'm working on a set of nightstands made out of local walnut, and they have a mid-century modern style to them. The tricky thing with these nightstands is that they do have mitered edges. It's folding grain, continuous grain around the box, and the drawers are all finger jointed. I like to challenge myself with the continuous grain because it's nice to keep the lines nice and tight, and you'll actually have the grain as it wraps over the sides of the boxes. So in addition to my furniture business, I'm also the co-founder of the Ottawa City Wood Shop, which is a local community-based wood shop. We have roughly 30 members who are in here 4 nights a week. The other hours are spent with courses and classes here at the shop. A lot of our members are in the same position that I was 10 years ago, where they have been in a job that they're maybe not totally happy with, and they're looking for that creative outlet. I think looking back over the last 10 years, this was the best thing I could have ever done. I always loved being a graphic designer. This has allowed me to step up and do something still in the design world. It was definitely a risky move, but there's definitely no way that I would ever go back, and this has been absolutely amazing.